Alright, y'all, I'm back, and this is not fixed. I have put a new battery in. I think there's a short, but I gotta take this apart again and look into it. I thought it might have been this wire right here. I thought that was the exciter wire, but I don't think that's what that is. And it goes into there, but I don't think that, I think the exciter's right here, but we're gonna find out. But anyway, I'm gonna reconnect that. I'm gonna clean out everything in here, because this is what happened. And I showed y'all before. So this is what happened. Let's see if it even does it. Okay, it turns on. Well, it did. Now everything is... See how it does that? I turned it back to the off position, and it does that. You can tell something's happening, and then it quits doing it. Turn it on, and I turn the key, and nothing happens. So, but you hear it making that noise? Tick, 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 tick. It goes tick, 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 tick. And it's in here. So something in here must gotta be messed up, shorted out. So I gotta get into there again. And I hate doing that. Alright. Let's see. Okay, it came on. See, the horn works. But the horn won't work after alright, and then I turn the key. And just a tick from the starter. So that's got to be, it's either the starter or it's shorted in here, but it sounds like something's getting through to the starter. And I tried to jump it. I've tried to jump it. Let's see. No. That thing shouldn't be like that. So I really do think it's gotta be probably the starter that's something's wrong. Now, alright, in the instrument panel, you have the instrument clusters, PTO, ignition's down here. So I need to take that bottom one off too to get to it. I might be able to just push it down. So, alright, I'm gonna look into this and see what I can see and clean up some contact points and maybe see what happens. Because when you put the key in and you turn it on, okay, the panel is lit. Alright. I'll try and do the start. Of course, if it starts. No, it's not. Oddly, that was... That's coming from in there. So I'm gonna take that off. Alright, internet mechanics, I'm at the end of my rope with this. Alright, I'm going to show y'all what I've taken it apart. I am to the point where I think this has got to be the starter. I'm connecting the positive. I know I should tighten it, but it's connected. I gotta leave it undone because I'm gonna show y'all what I've done. And just, I've taken when the battery is hooked up and the key is in the off position, it registers some numbers and you can hear it ticking in this instrument panel. And this instrument panel has two electronic jacks that go to it. Two electrical jacks, two wires that have a jack on it, a plug. So when I turn the key to on, let's see, is this showing up in here? Okay. I turn the key to on, it all goes blank, nothing happens. Let the key go back to the off position, right there, and all of a sudden stuff starts appearing in the... Now, it used to be that the panel would turn on, and when it did turn on, after a while, I'd turn it and you get a tink from the starter. That's all, a tink. So that tells me, and from here to the battery, I have 12.7 volts. So we got power coming in here, and when I hotwire it, when I jump it, I'll show y'all that. Nothing. When I jump it on the starter, this should start it. From this one to this one, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I was getting sparks at one time. Now, oh wait, I just heard something. You just heard that tick? No, nothing. It should spin that starter. No, that's just, that ain't it. That's the... I heard a tick once, but nothing. That should spin a starter. Nothing. So I just don't know what to do except for to replace the starter and the solenoid. Take the key out. Look, the key is all the way out. And something's passing through here because it does that. So if I unhook the battery, it goes away and nothing's passing through, and then we're good. So I don't know if there's a dead short somewhere. I don't know if this instrument panel's bad and that could do it. I don't understand how it could stop the starter from spinning when you direct. I don't understand that. I just don't. So, y'all, I hate doing this, but you know, I gotta bring in my ace, and I'm bringing in my dad. He's gonna come over tomorrow, and you know, this is the man I look to that's got experience. And you know, I hate that I have to ask someone for help, but I gotta ask someone for help on this because I don't know what this is right here. This is some kind of instrument panel. I don't know if that's a computer system or whatnot. I mean, hell, maybe we had an EMP and I don't know. But I don't know where all the electrical, and it's not a lockout switch. It's not that. I'm telling you, I went through all the lockout switches, and it's not that. So, I've had it with this tractor, I really have. I mean, if it's just a starter and I replace it, and yay, we can go, that'll be nice. But I really don't feel like buying a new tractor right now. I'm just getting to the point to where my debt's getting under control. I'm getting out of debt. And I really don't want to go buy a brand new tractor or even a second-hand tractor, because I'm going to have to take a loan out for that. Man, life doesn't give you... Life doesn't always give you apples. Sometimes it's all lemons. So, this is a lemon. And I ain't even got the energy to make lemonade out of it. So, I'll get on it tomorrow and I'll let y'all know what we come up with, what we decide. I think I will be buying a starter. I've already looked up. I think I know where I got one that's local that I can buy one. I just hope that's it. That'll be easy. Just pull that, put another one in. Shouldn't be a big deal. Alright, y'all. So hey y'all, just so y'all can see, the part on my tractor that was bad was this relay. This was what caused all the problems. This relay right here. And where that goes on a tractor, I can show y'all real quick. I couldn't believe this. I searched for this for 3 days. And then my partner's son, who is like an expert, super genius with kind of stuff like this, he figured it out in about 20 minutes. So it was this relay that goes right here, that goes on there. This relay right here. And I kind of want to slide that so it stays right there. But I doubt I'm going to have to do something better than that. But anyway, that relay right there. So that relay goes from the ignition, from the battery to the relay, to the ignition and to the starter. And that's how the relay allows the circuit to open and close. One will be open when the other one's closed, and vice versa. So that's how the ignition turns on. So everything works how it's supposed to now. So that's good. See that? Alright. Good. Oh, it was a nightmare. I was close to having it figured out, but my dumb ass didn't realize that relay was in the circuit. So now I do. You learn something all the time, huh? Anyway, we got some rain today, much needed, and I'm gonna deal with these chicks and go inside and have dinner and try and relax, because I had a rough day yesterday. It was supposed to be a good day and it turned out to be a nightmare. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.